Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this video will help you with your FSA review packet for week 2, day 2, and problem 2. This states that, or this problem says, Delia earns $12.50 per hour working at a restaurant, and on Friday she spent 2 1/4 hours cleaning, 4 2/3 hours doing paperwork, and 2 7/12 hours serving customers. What were Delia's earnings? So we know we can write the earnings as an expression before we start. So we know $12.50 can be times by the amount of hours she works to equal her total earnings. So now we just got to figure out the hours, because we know we're going to take $12.50 times the hours, because it's $12.50 per hour. So now we just got to add our hours together. So we need to add 2 1/4 plus 4 2/3, and we're going to add that to 2 7/12. So the first step I would do is add your whole numbers. So 2 and 4 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And then now we need to add our fractions. So this is going to be added to 1/4 plus 2/3 plus 7/12. Okay, now we need to figure out what is the common denominator for our fractions. So the common denominator between 4, 3, and 12 would be 12. So we need to rewrite each fraction in terms of 12. So we know it's going to be parts of 12 here. And to get from 4 to 12, we need to times it by 3. So we times 4 by 3 to get 12. And we need to times 1 by 3 to get 3. To get 3 to 12, we need to times by 4. So 4 times 3 is 12. 2 times 4 is 8. And lastly, the 7/12 is already in terms of 12, so we just leave it like that. So now we take 3, 8, and 7. So 3 and 8 is 11, plus 7 would give me 18. So these all become 18 over 12. Now to find this out, we just need to divide. So this is going to be the same thing as saying 12 goes into 18. That will go in one time. 1 times 12 is 12. And that leaves 6 parts of 12 left over, but we know 6 parts of 12 is just 1/2. 6/12 is 1/2. So now we just need to take this 8 here, make a little box, and we'll continue here in this box. So 8 is going to be added to 1 1/2, so that makes 9 1/2, and we know that is the same as 9.5. So now we just substitute our 9.5 into our expression of $12.50 per hour. So $12.50 per hour at a rate of $12.50 an hour for 9.5 hours. And we multiply those two together and we get 118.75. Alright, I hope that video helps. Stay tuned for more.